Hey guys, we received this wireless keyboard for test and try. Rechargeable Bluetooth palm size 3.0 super mini silent cordless keyboard. So you can see it comes in this nice protective box. So let me just take this out. So this can easily come in your small pocket or any other place. And this have this charging cable and things and a manual to show you how this work. But the process is straightforward. This is a Bluetooth connection. So you have to attach this with a Bluetooth. As you can see in the back, there is a on and off button and a Bluetooth charging port. So you can charge this before using it. So that's pretty easy. The size is around 4.48 inches by 2.36 inches. So this is smaller than even the palm. And then you can easily type. So it's better than the mobile keyboard because it's small. So I attach this with this Bluetooth through my mobile. And you can see this start finalizing this Bluetooth attached, solid blue. And now you can use it easily. So see, like the typing is easy. You can also hold in the both hands and then type. No issue with the typing on the app, and then you can easily just use and delete and do the things. So it's a very nice small keyboard thing that you can use in spite of your inbuilt keyboard because it's smaller than this one, of course. And then for the typing, it's better than if you want to just type a long documents. So typing and everything is really good. It's connected really well, and you can just type everything or whatever you want to. And you can also attach it with the mobile, laptop, or any other Bluetooth device.